How to download and install the Arduino IDE. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Arduino IDE stands for Arduino Integrated Development Environment, which is a software platform used for writing, compiling and uploading the code to Arduino boards. This IDE provides a user-friendly interface for writing sketches, Arduino programs in a simplified version of the C++ programming language. So, some of the key features of this IDE includes code editing, compiler, serial monitor, library manager, board manager, and examples. Without any ado, let's get started with the downloading process. For this, you just have to open any of your browser and search for Arduino IDE. Once that is done, you have download options. You can click on the download Windows zip file and click on just download. You can do the same process until the download gets started. And in a bit, you will notice that the download will start on the top right corner. The total storage it takes is 185 MB. Once the download has been completed, you just have to extract the file and then you have to click on install. This will start extracting every file which is required, and in a bit you are good to go. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.